If you write code, this is worth paying attention to. Anthropic has updated Claude Code. No big announcement, no rollout drama. But the way it works now is different. You can run it locally on your own laptop, which means you're not calling an external service every time you use it. No usage meter ticking in the background. No waiting on limits. You open it, and it works with what's already on your system. Your code stays where it is. Your files don't need to be sent anywhere. You're working in your own environment the same way you normally would. So for a lot of developers, that's the central point. There's also a way to continue your session across devices. Start something on your laptop. Step out, open your phone, you're back in the same place. Same context, same work. And it's designed to keep that within your setup. Inside your project, it can read your code, make changes, run commands, help track down issues. So it's basically working alongside you inside your setup. Your machine actually matters now. A strong setup handles more. A weaker one slows things down. Remember, this is not replacing large remote systems. It's actually more about what you can do locally. There are, of course, a lot of tools in this space now. Cursor, Replete, Copilot, all trying to become part of how developers work day to day. What Anthropic has done here is make every entry way simpler. You don't need much to get started. You just run it. And here, of course, is the front page take. This adds another way of working. Some people will stay with remote setups. Others will prefer keeping things on their own machine. Both will continue. The difference now is that the choice is clearer. What would you pick? Working locally or staying connected to external systems? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.